Hi, welcome to another video from Belly Dance with Tahira series. Today we will be dealing with a movement which is called hip lift. And you can say that this movement is the exact opposition of a hip drop, because in a hip drop we drop and in a hip lift, of course, we lift. So if you haven't seen the previous video, one of the previous videos with a hip drop, go back to it. The link to it will be somewhere here, and I will also leave the link in the description box below this video. You will have a better idea about what we are working with and how this movement, how these two movements are in opposition to each other. So we start with a basic drop position, hip drop position. So we have our weight, body weight on our right leg, and the knee is bent. Left leg is in the position, pelvis is a little bit tucked in always, of course, and we have a nice stretch in our upper body. And what we already did in a hip drop was lifting our hip and then dropping it so it makes an accent down. Drop, drop, drop. So we are already halfway there, because now we want to put an accent in a different position, not down but up. So the same as in a hip drop, we have work of our oblique muscles up, but down is relaxed. And what I want to do is not only lift and relax, but I want to make an accent in my side with my hip up. So I'm going up, 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 up. So in the basic variation, let's say, I want to do this in a relaxed way. So you can imagine that you take your glutes and doing like this. So you throw them up, pump, 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 in a very relaxed way. Up, and then hip goes down because of the gravity. Up, 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 and everything is here relaxed. The glutes are relaxed. The belly is relaxed. Up, 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 up. The oblique muscles are working. Of course, I'm helping them with the right knee. Up, 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 up. Let's try to do the same to the other side. So the body weight is on the left leg. The right leg is in the position. And once again, you lift and relax. Lift and relax. The oblique muscles are working once again. Lift and relax. Lift and relax. Lift and relax. And now we want to throw the hip into the air. Hop, 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 up, 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 accent, accent, hop, 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 hop. And to have a better idea about the differences between the drop, hip drop and a hip lift, let's try to do them together. So now we'll do 4 hip drops and then 4 hip lifts, and you will have a clear division between those two movements. So first the hip drop. So I'm going with the accent down, 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 and now hip lift. Up, 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 and down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 up. Okay, so this is how you do a hip lift. So if you like this lesson and you've managed to do a hip lift, give me a thumb up and hit that subscribe button down below in order not to miss new videos from Belly Dance with Tahira series and of course other content I publish on my YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or doubts about this movement, leave a comment below and I will try to explain how to do it in a proper way. If you are interested in more advanced content, advanced combos and advanced variations of movements, and also information about history, culture, language, psychology, all Oriental dance related, I invite you to check out my Tahira Belly Dance Diary series, of course here on my YouTube channel. I also encourage you to follow my social media accounts where I post a lot of things connected with my daily Oriental dance life. And let's meet here next week for a new basic movement in Oriental dance, of course. And I hope to see you soon. Thank you very much for your time. Bye!